Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free exam vouchers from Microsoft, and this is going on, event is going on for the Microsoft AI Skillfest 2026. So there is a 100% free exam vouchers with the term and conditions, and learn AI skill Microsoft certification AI Skillfest 2026. So here, join the global Microsoft AI Skillfest 2026. Unlock the features of AI with Microsoft Expert, live workshop, hands-on learning, and career boosting training opportunities. What you will get: 100% free AI learning sessions, hands-on workshop, and live events. Learn Microsoft Copilot, Azure AI, and more. Beginner to advanced content, global online participation, and there is a 100% free Microsoft exam voucher, and asterisk is there for the some term and conditions. Whether you are a student, developer, IT professional, business leader, and this event helps you to gain a in-demand AI skill and industry recognized knowledge. So event date will start from the June of 8 to 12 2026. Attend online from the anywhere in the world. Official announcement is there. This is the URL. I'll provide the URL, and don't miss the opportunity to learn AI from Microsoft. Boost your career and with free training and certification opportunities. So this is a certification exam voucher subject to Microsoft terms, eligibility and availability. So now let me open this page. So you can see the URL, tech community, Microsoft.com, blog, and other details. This is Microsoft AI Skill Fest, June 8 to 12, 2026. There is a register now. And turn up the volume for AI Skill Fest. No wristband required. So a week for the for live show, community movements, and other details are there. And this is the register link. And it's a free online invite, whether you are a developer, and other details are there. And the main thing I'm going to tell you about this. So fun extra including opportunity, win prizes, and qualify for a Microsoft certification exam voucher when you complete the playlist. So yes, you fun, and it's a festival after all. So here also finish the eligibility playlist and receive a voucher to selected certification exam. So term and conditions are there. Let me open this, and some questions will go through this voucher. Go to the last, control Fs. So somebody asked about the question. Hi, for the certification voucher prices, if any further information on the what counts for. So they are saying that from the someone in from the Microsoft to the AI skill face skilling playlist, and this count towards a free certification voucher will be available from the June of 8 2026. So be available, and just go through register, and this festival start. Remember to register so you can access to them. So term and conditions are there. Go with the English. So AI skill fest certification offer official rule. So here you can see this is start from this time and end on this eligibility, and rewards will be there. Participant who complete the eligibility skilling playlist during the active period earn one free Microsoft exam voucher and one digital badge. You recognize the completion of the Microsoft AI skill fest playlist. So other details are there. So this voucher must be redeemed on 60 days, issue on itna, this date and this one. So go with other details. There are too many terms and condition, and one more important term and condition is there. So this Swift attend, and there's a fifth in India is there, and eligibility area. So some of the countries are not eligible for this. So go with your company country and go with this. So finally, we are moving for the register now. So other details are there. So now I'm going for the register. So sign into Experience AI Skillfest. So here you can register, you can create a new account if you don't have the Microsoft account, or I have already account, I have already logged in. I'm going through the my account. So welcome, let's personalize your experience. Select role you are interested them where you prefer to learning. So select where you prefer to learn and role interested. Country, India. Prefer email address for the notification. Give your email address. Get started. So you are in. Okay. So you are registered. Anything need to do, then they will send you in mail. So unlock for complete learning on free Microsoft certification exam and earn this one badge. So just remember that they are writing there unlock a free Microsoft certification exam voucher. So go with this, and all the details are the grab festival map. So all the details you can find here also. So main stage, virtual hackathon, learn together, and other details are there. Now close this. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Microsoft certification exam voucher and Microsoft AI Skill Phase 2026. You have to enroll that, and there is a strict certification exam voucher subject to Microsoft terms, eligibility and availability. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose and only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me a mail on this email address. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box, and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.